predator that strikes faster than you can blink. Meet the variable bush viper. Found in the rainforests of Central and West Africa, this snake is as beautiful as it is deadly. Its scales form sharp, leaf-like ridges, giving it a dragon-like appearance. But don't let the looks fool you. Its venom is highly toxic, capable of causing severe internal bleeding. They are ambush predators, striking quickly at birds, frogs, and small mammals. No two look exactly alike. Their colors range from green and yellow to fiery orange,